Hey everyone, I'm just back from dumpster diving and this is what I got from one grocery store, and I'm just gonna show you a tiny little clip of the 2 trash bins. Okay, I just unpacked it. So one of the eggs I threw back into the bin because it was cracked open, and I just put out a second one, this one. Can you see it? Focus! There's a crack. I'm not gonna use this one. And the potatoes are a bit they're a little bit smelly, so I gotta sort through them. There's probably 1 or 2 a bit squishy. Yeah, and as you can see, I have lots of grapes, and probably these ain't good anymore. And finally, these Satsumas, I would call them clementines. Okay, this one is a bit damaged. Yeah. And I had 3 more lemons, but I decided to give my neighbor some of them, so I originally had 7 and now I have 4. Where's the second apple? I had 2 apples. Is it still in the bag? Yeah. Okay, that is kind of weird. I'm quite sure I took a second apple. I don't know. Maybe I lost it. I'm gonna make it pretty now. Okay, so the blueberries are blah, and these potatoes are blah as well. And that one, squishy. And 2 of these organic kiwis. So here you can see all these potatoes. They're still good. A few of them are a little bit smelly, but I'm gonna peel them anyway. This is how many grapes I have. The funny thing is, I was last time dumpster diving 2 weeks ago, and I had these huge dark red grapes, and a few of them are still in my fridge and they're still good, and this is awesome. So these few radishes, the few 4 eggs, they're free range, by the way. I think this is a conventional cucumber. These, what's the name again? I forgot. I would call these clementines, whatever they are. Sultanas or something. I didn't find a second apple, so either I didn't take it or lost it, or it, I don't know, I forgot it to take it. The tomatoes, limes, no, lemons. And yeah, that's it. Blue socks. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.